Hey love, welcome and welcome back. Yes honey, welcome and welcome back. It's your girl Candy Dreams, okay, and I am back with another video. This video is like none other than you've ever seen here before, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, comment down below and let me know that you want to see more. I am so excited to be able to share this particular video with you guys because I have a really special guest with me. So listen, have you guys been looking for like the next big thing or your next opportunity when it comes to business? Something new, something different, something fun, something awesome. Well listen, look no further, okay, because today I'm going to share with you our new exciting and super rewarding adventure to inspire you and to show you that there's more than one way to get it, okay? And again, there's more than enough room out there for us all. So without further ado, let's get into it, boo. With this particular business model, like I said, it's a little bit different. I want you to understand that this idea will require a little pinch of creativity, okay? And it will require an investment, okay? This is not a free business model. However, this particular business model will pay itself back 10 times in no time, literally, especially if you follow the guidelines and rules in which I say in this particular video and execute it the way that it should be. You will have no problem with making your money back in no time and then some. Listen, here she is right here. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. This is our brand new Glowforge. So today's special guest is none other than
hey, how y'all doing?
First, we want to tell you about our new adventure or our new baby because he's super excited, and whenever he's super excited, I'm super excited.
So today I want to share with you my Glowforge Pro. This thing is awesome. I mean, you need to get one so you can do some awesome things like this. Hey. Show you how to cut out a couple things like this. Ooh. Yeah. Also have custom cutout stake tag, first day and last day of school. I also got my around and find out. This is a good seller right here. Also, hocus pocus. This looks good. You also can cut out things like this. My custom remote station. And
these items are just some of the things that he's been able to cut out or create for us. Not only that, he does have a shop where he sells all of these items, okay? Oh, and this was one of our favorite or one of our top sellers, okay? We have a couple of top sellers, but this one here is another one of our top sellers for Halloween this year. Super excited. Our number one is definitely and find out, okay? Yes. And I'm trying to help y'all to and find out how important it is for you to consider getting you a Glowforge, okay?
3D cut.
Yes. The Glowforge is a pretty large piece of equipment. However, it is very easy to use. I'm talking about so easy that even I, the non-tech savvy individual, can set it up and go, okay? Let him give you like a little tour of exactly how he set everything up. So this way, if when you get your equipment at home, because I know you're gonna get one, right? So when you get yours, you'll know exactly how to set it up properly and you'll be able to rock and roll. Go ahead, babe, show me.
The table, you can crank it up and down so it can fit your height. This table slides out, and you also have to have it ventilated throughout the windows because you don't want the whole house smelling like cut wood. It has panels inside where you can remove to feed wood all the way through. So upon purchasing this, it's not really that difficult to learn. You know, they got videos on YouTube. You go to Glowforge. It's a community that you can ask questions, you know what I'm saying, to get some answers. Also on the website that they have, you know, the software that you use is online. So if you need help, you can hit the help button or you can browse through different projects that they already have online. But I say my first 2 weeks, learn the different type of materials, the thickness that you can cut up. And the good thing is, once you open the box, it's a lot of proof grade material for you to practice on and just, you know, just cut out things to get a feel for it.
And that's a really good thing to have, especially for somebody like us who are new to the Glowforge space. However, it was really easy to learn, and we did not have any complications. Like he said, the help desk is really helpful, and really what we use the help desk for is for inspiration and ideas on how to, you know, implement our business ideas in some really cool, interesting ways.
If you're not a designer and you don't know how to design these things, you can just go to the Glowforge community and they post different things in the forums where you can download the file and actually cut it out yourself. Step by step. It's step by step. I mean, really with hard work, you can pay off your Glowforge within a month or two. I mean, depending on if you got like a platform to sell, the things that you make on, you know.
What platform do you recommend?
I use Etsy, and also I would recommend having a website. That's so you can sell at, you know, local events, you know, in town, wherever you live. Just find out what they have going on, and you can, you know, rent you a booth and you can sell custom cut items and engrave items.
Absolutely. And these items, trust me, are really big sellers, and they have really helped to pay off the investment that we placed into our Glowforge. Babe, when did you get this? Was it July?
I think it was June.
No, it was August. It was after your birthday.
It was after my birthday.
It was a birthday gift, so it was August when we actually purchased. Go ahead and tell them a little bit more about how long it took you to actually recoup your funds.
Immediately, because I designed, so I was just playing around with designs, trying to figure out what I want to do. So once I figured out what I want to do with it, you know, I started posting designs to Etsy, mock-ups. Hey, you can make money online, and like I said, family members that they want a nice door sign, they want something for their kitchen, they want something to hang over the pantry. Yes. You know, there's so many things you can do. You can make earrings. This thing can pay itself off.
In no time.
In no time.
Yes.
And you'll be making the cha-chings.
Yes, a lot of cha-chings, okay guys? And another thing I want to add to that is the fact that he's a man, so all of the ideas that you see here look a little manly, so his eye is definitely more on the man side of things. So these are good ideas for men, for man caves, and for those naturalists who want that natural home feel inside of their home. And there's a lot of us out there like that, men and women, but I want you ladies to know that you also can make some really awesome and cool ideas out of this too. You see those really cool signs online that they make out of acrylic where you can scan it and you can have like your business ideas on it, your barcode,
the QR code.
Your QR code.
You can do that right here.
You can do all of that, and you can make all of those really nice large custom signs that people are actually hanging up outside of their businesses. Like, there's so many ideas, and not only that, I think you can do glass etching on this as well,
you can
right?
do glass etching.
Engraving. You can do glass engraving. So for those of you who are into mugs and tumblers, this is another great idea for you guys. But again, you can look on the Glowforge website and find out even more ideas of all of the wonderful things that you can actually do with this. But we've talked enough about it, so I want to go ahead and let him give you guys a real idea or a real example of exactly how the Glowforge really works in person.
First thing first, this is the design that we are working with. I created it in Adobe Illustrator. And what you want to do is you want to save this file out as an SVG. I'm going to log into my Glowforge account, create a new project, so I will upload my artwork. Let's go load our materials in. Now we want to get our material into the laser cutter, and this QR code gets scanned by the camera and let the software know what it's cutting. Place that in there, set it up real nice, and we close it down. So here's our cutout. We're gonna make it a 4x4, in which what we're gonna do a knockout Christmas ornament. That means what you see here, outline will be cut out. Let's do it. Press this glowing button here and get us started. You hear the laser firing up, the fan kicking in, make it a little loud. So now we're gonna remove it. Oh, look at that. And look how easily it falls out. And let's remove it. Just shake it. Ooh. So now that we got it out of the laser cutter, all we have to do is peel the protective layer off. Now this layer is to stop it from having burn marks. It's real easy to peel off. Peels off like butter, just like it cuts. And you have two sides to peel off, the front and the back. So now that I have it all peeled, the film peeled off of it, check it out. So this is gonna be a new addition that I'm gonna add to my shop. You can get some kind of fabric to tie between here and hang it, or some yarn, hang it on the tree.
I actually have seen some shops selling these, something very similar to this right now, and they have made over $200,000 off this product alone, simply because it's the holidays, you guys. It is Christmas. Christmas is right around the corner. Like, could you imagine waking up to $200,000? Like, you know, come on now, with that little or that minimum amount of work applied, that is like making money in your sleep, sweetheart. So listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned some really awesome things here. Of course, if you would like to invest, which I highly encourage you guys to invest in you a Glowforge. Again, we have the Glowforge Pro, right, babe?
The Glowforge Pro, yes.
We have the Glowforge Pro. However, they do have some additional models that you can check out. I'll be sure to put it up here so you can see it, and you can get you one of these babies and get started right away. Not only that, guys, they have AfterPay. Okay, listen, so you can buy now and pay later. So again, no excuses. Okay, you can pay a little bit at a time on your time. Okay. Oh, and not only that, there's a coupon available right now. Babe, tell me about that coupon.
You can get $500 off a Glowforge Pro, $250 off a Glowforge, and that's the basic model. Then have another one you can get $125 off of. Get you one, man. You can just make some stuff that will take you to the next level. You know, start your store and start a successful business.
Thank you guys again, and I appreciate the time. Thank you, babe, for coming in and showing up and showing out. And I will see you guys back later. And I love.